Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. This is the 2025 Jaecoo J8, an SUV that redefines what luxury means in the modern world. From the very first glance, its elegant yet aggressive stance captures attention with a confidence that feels both fresh and familiar. Starting from the lower left, the sleek body lines sweep upward with precision, guiding your eyes to the sophisticated LED matrix headlights that frame the sculpted front. As we move up, the grille, bold yet refined, serves as the crown jewel of the J8's face, embellished with gloss black accents and a floating Jaecoo emblem that glows with quiet authority. Moving across to the right, the symmetrical DRLs add futuristic flair, while down below, the wide bumper and functional air curtains ensure airflow and dynamic presence. Finally, as we return to the left, the sharp creases and aerodynamic hood blend style with performance-inspired intent. A commanding front presence that signals this is no ordinary SUV, it's the next chapter in luxury mobility. Shifting around to the rear, the design tells a story of strength and composure. The full-width LED light bar stretches across like a signature, glowing softly under the night sky. As we pan toward the center, the Jaecoo lettering stands proud, while beneath it, a sculpted tailgate integrates seamlessly with the flowing lines. To the right, twin chrome exhaust finishers balance elegance with performance cues. On the lower left, a muscular bumper reinforces the SUV's grounded and dominant stature. It's not just built to impress, it's designed to leave a lasting impression. Step inside, and the 2025 Jaecoo J8 welcomes you to a sanctuary of refined comfort and thoughtful innovation. The cabin immediately wraps around you with its dual-tone Napa leather upholstery, stitched with intricate patterns that echo craftsmanship of the highest order. Moving to the center, a massive floating touchscreen extends into a full-width digital cockpit that feels more spaceship than SUV. As we glance upward, a panoramic sunroof floods the space with natural light, creating an airy, open environment. Down to the right, the brushed aluminum accents and touch-sensitive controls bring a premium, tactile edge to every surface. Returning to the left, the ambient lighting pulses softly in sync with your drive mode, creating a vibe tailored to your mood. Every detail here is designed to pamper, elevate, and impress. Now from the side, the Jaecoo J8's silhouette speaks the language of modern sophistication. The roofline glides effortlessly into the rear spoiler, while the high beltline and sculpted shoulders give it an assertive, athletic look. As we move up, the flush-mounted door handles add a minimalist touch. Glancing across, the turbine-style alloy wheels fill the arches with a confident stance, and as we pan down, the chrome accents on the lower sills catch the light with a metallic sparkle. Finally, swinging back left, the proportions strike the perfect balance between SUV ruggedness and luxury sedan elegance. It's bold, it's refined, it's effortlessly premium. Under the hood, the Jaecoo J8 doesn't just look the part, it drives it. Powered by a turbocharged 2.0L engine paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, it delivers over 250 horsepower with smooth, responsive acceleration. Moving up, the digital cluster displays torque output, off-road modes, and fuel efficiency in real time. Across the center console, you'll find a terrain response dial offering snow, sand, sport, and comfort settings. To the right, an advanced all-wheel drive system with active torque vectoring ensures stability and grip across every surface. Back around to the left, the suspension adapts instantly to road conditions, making every ride smooth, composed, and confident. Power, control, and versatility, wrapped in one elegant package. When it comes to value, the Jaecoo J8 makes a compelling case for itself. It starts at a surprisingly competitive price point, considering the level of luxury and tech packed inside. With an advanced safety suite that includes autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise, and 360-degree cameras, it's as protective as it is plush. Maintenance is low, warranty coverage is comprehensive, and feature for feature, it challenges even the most established luxury brands. As we glance across its feature list, it's clear, this SUV is engineered for those who expect more without paying a premium for the badge. For those ready to embrace the unexpected, the Jaecoo J8 is the luxury SUV you never saw coming, but won't forget once you do. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.